Hi, this is Mike Haber. Thanks for asking me, what happens if I don't like my public defender? Miranda warnings state that you have the right to an attorney, and if you can't afford an attorney, then one will be appointed. And this expresses the fact that everyone and anyone who's accused of committing a crime in the United States has a Sixth Amendment right to counsel. But when it comes to court-appointed counsel, that right is qualified. And the qualification is that while you're entitled to a public defender, you are not entitled to the public defender of your choosing. Repeating and rephrasing that, the Sixth Amendment to the United States Constitution guarantees you a right to counsel, and as such, you can hire any licensed lawyer that you wish. But the right to counsel of your choosing does not extend to folks who get court-appointed attorneys. As to public defenders, I know for a fact that it is not easy to get hired, much less to remain employed as an assisted public defender. It takes brains, ethics, effort, and commitment just to get the job, and even more to keep the job. On the whole, public defenders are extremely well versed in the law, the rules, the nuances of their assigned courtrooms. It's equally true that PDs usually don't have the time to offer up personalized attention that private lawyers should bring to the table. Because of this, and especially for pretrial detained clients, meaning those who are sitting in jail instead of being out on bond, it's very common for complaints to be levied against court-appointed counsel by clients who feel neglected, be it that their public defender doesn't visit them often enough, or won't listen to them, or refuses to pursue their strategy. In reality, such complaints rarely have any merit, and it's only where your lawyer, whether she's private or public, is ineffective that you're entitled to a new lawyer. Still, if you're unhappy with your public defender, then you can, and you should, bring that matter to the court's attention. The judge will have to conduct a hearing called a Nelson hearing. Note that I'll be putting out a separate video on Nelson hearings later. Just know that whenever it may be, if your complaint doesn't rise to the level of ineffectiveness, then you're likely going to be stuck with whomever was appointed to your case. Because again, while you enjoy a right to court-appointed counsel, that doesn't extend to the court-appointed counsel of your own choosing. That said, I thank you for your question and I appreciate your having asked it. Please remember that at Haber PA, it's all about reasonable doubt. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll be putting out more soon.